Hello guys, here reporting from Texarkana Harley Davidson today, where they had a wheat eating contest during the day and other activities. I usually come here at least once a week to check out the deals and everything. If you guys are on the area, come and talk to Mike and Kayla here in Texarkana Harley Davidson. Let's go in there and see what's going on. 2024 Rogue Light. They have it customized with some Legend suspensions, some details on the engine there. The 117 motor. I think these are 14s. So they put on that. Satamon seat. White and blue to go with the decoration they put on it on the accessories. There you go. Come on, visit my friends from Texarkana Harley here. They're always up to something. Did you participate in the Halloween contest? No?
No.
Did you?
No.
It looked like you're full.
I know. I'm very
full. How you doing?
Very full.
You guys are gonna be famous.
Full of wings and pizza.
You're gonna be on my channel.
Okay.
There you go.
Have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's Army Biker DMD. Yep.
Army Biker.
DMD.
Have some
There you
pizza.
go. All right, let's go here. What's your name?
I'm Courtney.
Courtney. And you work here? Okay.
Yep.
What do you do here in Texarkana Harley? Well, than looking good and all that.
Oh my goodness. Whatever. I help with events and do a little bit of social media content.
Cool.
Yep.
So you need to go to my channel there and subscribe. Hit like and subscribe. You ride too, right? I see you riding your bike. What do you ride?
I have a 2010 street bike.
Badass too. I saw it. You have it out there?
No, I didn't ride it today because I know it's going to pick
Oh,
up
okay.
stuff, so.
Cool.
Yeah, sad.
Yeah, but I've seen him before. It's good. Yeah,
I love her. I named her Elvira.
Byron?
Elvira.
Elvira. Oh, Elvira. Oh, wow. Yeah, mine.
Little spooky bitch.
That's right. Well, thank you for the little interview there. They can come and visit you here and talk to you about the stuff that you guys got going on here, right?
Yeah, always.
Texarkana Harley Davidson, right?
Come see us.
All right. And you need to stop eating all that pizza. Look at
I
that.
know, there's too much pizza in there.
Oh my God.
It
They
was
need to
good.
come and see you here, right?
Yes, they do. Your favorite motor clothes girl.
Yeah. What do you guys have going on right now?
Right now we have a tent sale. Everything under the tent and around it is 50% off. Or if you buy a brand new 2023 or 2024 motorcycle, we'll give you a free leather jacket.
A free leather jacket?
Free leather jacket. That's a good deal. You need a
That's
new bike.
a good deal.
You need a new bike?
No, I don't. I have one too many. Well, there's no such thing. That's one.
No.
Well, you know, I come over here and support you guys all the
Yeah,
time.
absolutely.
So,
And we appreciate it.
I'm probably gonna leave here with some merch here pretty soon.
We've got
So-
new Texarkana hats. Yeah, we do.
And you want to show me? Come on, show me what you got, girl. Show everybody what you got. You got Mikey here.
Yes.
What's going on, man?
Hey guys, just
So why they need to come over here and see you? Why?
well, because we have some of the best events this side of Texas or this side of Texarkana. We have the most amazing motorcycle machines in town, in my opinion.
And what do they have back there right now outside?
We have a beautiful bikini bike wash sponsored by Hooters of Texarkana.
Guess who's gonna be washing his bike today?
And I'm gonna be making sure that they do a good job.
That's right.
Hey, anybody who's around town, we would love for you all to be our guests. Every Saturday we have great events, complimentary food, and some of the best times all around. My name is Mike. I'll be your personal ambassador when you come down to Texarkana Harley Davidson. Come on down and see us, y'all.
There
Hi,
you
Mom.
go. What do we have here?
We got all new hats that have our destination on them now. So they're not just normal Harley hats, they're cooler Harley hats. They all have Texarkana on the back. We've got 4 new designs.
These are nice.
They are nice. This one's our favorite.
Look at that.
And it's got it written in white back here.
And you have different sizes available,
So
right?
we have small, so the ones that are fitted, there's small, medium, or large, extra large, and then these have adjustables. So we've
Perfect.
got a snapback and then we've got a belt type.
Nice,
These
nice.
two are size.
We have old man over there. What's up, Doc? Who's there?
There's me.
And the beautiful Hela over there. There you go. Okay, let's go outside and see what's going on out there. I'm about to get my motorcycle ready to get it washed by these bikini girls. Let's see.
They call me the magic man. Got a trick up my sleeve. Always pulling the upper hand. I win and repeat. My method is so advanced, like a CZ. When I'm taking the shoulder, it's full automatic. Step like a soldier, fight like a savage. Keep my composure while I let them have it. I let them have it. Love with the game, so call me an addict. I got the taste on the tip of my tongue. I know what I want, I won't quit till I have it. I can do anything, believe it or not. I make it look easy. When I'm break through the physical, this is the pinnacle. We going over the top.
Texarkana Harley Davidson. Go in there, hit like and subscribe on the video. Army Biker DMD. I'm about to pull this motorcycle over there so they can watch my bike. Let's do it, people. Let's do it.
Fresh from the head to toe, feeling great. Pull up in the coupe, you know we don't play. Party all night, tell your crew it's on it. We gon' have a good time, follow me, come on. Hey, there's some real good vibes, come see how we move. Take it up a little high like Domino's.
Uno, dos, tres, come on, ready, get set, go! You make my heart go boom boom, yeah, the way you're.
We have one of our subscribers here. What's your name?
Christopher Davis.
And he's supporting up my channel, Army Biker DMD. Do you like the videos?
I love the video.
Guess what? You're gonna be on them right now. This video, you're gonna be in there. You're a superstar, man.
I'm a star.
That's one of my subscribers. He approached me today, so it's good to see that people are liking the content. So let's go back here. Say hi to the service people.
Hello.
Mr. Walter, aka Spartan. Right? Doesn't he look like Russell Crowe?
No.
Look at him. Say Spartans!
No.
Why they need to come see you here, man?
Why do they need to come see
Yeah.
you? So you take care of your service and repair needs and do upgrades to your motorcycle.
What's the latest upgrades that you guys have here right now?
The biggest and best one is on the new 2024s is the 135 crate motor. It creates 100.
That one has an owner already, so don't even think about it.
Creates 149 foot-pounds of torque.
Wow. My goodness. So I'll be bringing one of my bikes here for them to take care of that. Does it have to be 117, 114, or you can do it on any of them?
Doesn't matter. It's a crate motor. As long as it's a Milwaukee 8 and it'll fit the application.
Okay. And you have one on site right now?
I think I have one.
Okay, cool. Well, come and visit Walter here at Texarkana Harley. You're gonna be famous, even more famous than what you already
Already
are.
famous.
There you go, brother. And if you need parts, you need to come over and see my friend Moses here. He'll order those parts straight from China and put an HD on it so you can think that it's from Harley, right?
Every time, just for this guy.
And we have Kayla here. She's hiding from me. She doesn't want to be on camera. But look at her.
I'm not hiding from you.
Look at that.
You're so sweet.
Looking great as usual.
Thank you.
I'm telling people to come and see you.
Of course. Everybody should come and see just all of us, not just me.
That's right.
That's all.
That's right.
Any more excuses? Starting today.
go, make it boom like an earthquake. Fresh from the head to toe, feeling great. Pull up in the coupe, you know we don't play. Party all night, tell your crew it's on it. We gon' have a good
You do. That's right.
Dude, I love it, baby. See, hey,
They know him already. They know.
Uno, dos, tres, come out, ready, get set, go! You make my heart go boom boom, yeah, the way you're moving looks so good. Come on, give me that, boom boom. Everybody get down, let loose loose. Gonna take this party to the roof roof. Don't you want it? Boom boom. You make my heart go boom boom, go boom boom boom. Go, boom boom.
Come on over, we gon' shake a little bit. Come on over, go and take a little sip. Come on over, just relax a little bit. Now everybody getting wild, whole place just lit. Jump up, get down when we come into town. DJs turn up the sound till we touch that sky. Cannot stop now, we the hottest around. We gon' shut this thing down, take it up real high. Let's go. Vámonos.
Uno, dos, tres, come out, ready, get set, go! You make my heart go boom boom, yeah, the way you're moving looks so good. Come on, give me that, boom boom. Everybody get down, let loose loose. Gonna take this party to the roof, boom boom.
The stuff that you guys got going on here, right?
Yeah, always.
Texarkana Harley Davidson, right?
Come see us.
Don't you want